Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video we are providing you most amazing and very trending designs of handmade crochet lamps and its a hanging lamps and other table lamps. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and totally handmade and very classy. I really hope that they will love these beautiful design. You all love these beautiful and popular collection. So ever share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and very trending designs of handmade crochet lamps ideas. These are very amazing collection and outstanding addition in crochet items. So viewer, you know very well different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet lamps. These are very outstanding and aesthetic looks in your homes and your rooms. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful article at your home, at your rooms for more outstanding and enhanced looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet article viewers. Now viewer, I am share with you some benefits of crochet lamps. Crochet lamps, especially hanging ones, have several and spiritual benefits including unique decor, add a touch of handmade charm and personalized and personality to your space. Soft warm light, crochet shades diffuse light creating a cozy atmosphere. Energy efficiency and use LED bulbs or low watt lighting for an eco-friendly option. Crochet lamps are very amazing and very outstanding ambience and creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. Soften harsh lighting adds a touch of warmth and texture to a room decor. Unique and handmade decorative pieces and adds a personal touch to our rooms, can match a complement various interior styles. Practically energy efficient lighting options, space saving designs, easy to move and adjust. Emotional handmade with love and care can be a meaningful gifts and heirlooms creates a sense of warmth and comfort. Versatility can be used in various styling and settings, indoor or outdoor, living room, bedrooms, can be made are different sizes, shapes and colors, can be customized to fit personal styles. Conversational sparks interest and conversation adds a touch of personality to a room, can be a focal point in a room. Unique and personalized decor, crochet lamp add a touch of handmade charm and personality to your space. Crochet shades diffuse light and space saving designs. Crochet lamps can be designed to take up minimal space, making them perfect for small room and apartments. Handmade with love, each stitch is handmade and is made with care, adding a personal touch to your home decor. Customizable, choose your favorite yarn color, pattern, and shape to make and to match your style and decor. Textured interest. Crochet adds a textile element to your home decor, creating a visual interest and relaxing ambience. Soft lighting and gentle textures create a calming atmosphere perfect for relaxation. Gift idea: a handmade crochet lamp makes a thoughtful, one of a kind gift. Creative expression. Crocheting a lamp allows you to express your creativity and showcase your skills. Cozy and warm. Crochet lamps add a warm and cozy touch to your home, perfect for colder climates. So I hope you all are understand with the benefits of crochet lamps. These are the benefits, and now viewer, I'm share with you what is the crochet. Crochet is a popular needle work hobby that involves creating fabric by using a crochet hook in to interlock loops of yarn, thread, or other materials. Here are some aspects of crochet benefits: relaxation, stress relief, improve fine motor skills, promoting relaxation and mental health, social connections, fine motor skill development, mindfulness, creativity, sense of accomplishment, placement, and more. Type of crochet: filet crochet, tapestry crochet, free form crochet, and toy makings, granny square crochet, lace crochet, Tunisian crochet, brooches crochet, hairpins, lace crochet, broomsticks, lace crochet. Tools or materials are required: crochet hook, aluminium, steel, or wood; yarn, various fabrics, weights or and colors; tapestry needle, scissors, stitch markers, measuring tape or roller. Basic stitches: chain stitch, foundation stitch, single stitch, half double crochet, single crochet, treble crochet, slip stitch. Pattern or resources: online tutorial and videos are available my channel BB Crochet, and if you want on Instagram, so my Instagram ID are mentioned in description, so must follow my Instagram ID and watch all and comment me and inbox me if you want any type of articles. I can reply as soon as possible on my Instagram. Tips are for beginners: choose the right hook or yarn, practice basic stitches, start with simple projects, watch tutorials and online classes, join a crochet community to support. So I hope this is very helpful for you all the beginners. Viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. And be support me like this forever. I am seeing my all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind with me, and my all YouTube community loves my all type of variety of crochet. So stay tuned with me. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.